to be sworn in and to testify.
Madam Witness, please stand up, raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this impeachment proceeding?
Yes, I do.
So help you God.
Your Honor,
Yes.
we are presenting this witness to prove the basis of the non-inclusion of the McKinley property in the Statement of Assets, Liabilities, and Net Worth of Chief Justice Corona, particularly by establishing that there is on record with the Office of the Clerk of Court of the Regional Trial Court of Quezon City of a declaration of trust executed by Renato Corona and Cristina Corona as trustees in favor of Maria Charina Corona as trustor for the purchase of the McKinley property, and a special power of attorney executed by Maria Charina Corona as principal in favor of Renato Corona and Cristina Corona as agents for the purchase of the McKinley property.
The property is under trust.
Your Honor, it is our theory that the property is in the name of Maria Charina Corona, and that the Chief Justice, Your Honor, made the payments in trust for Maria Charina Corona by virtue of the special power of attorney executed in his favor by the principal.
All right. Proceed. Proceed.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon,
Madam
sir.
Witness. For the record, can you please state your name and other personal circumstances?
I'm Perlita Ele, 61 years old, married, resident of Quezon City.
Madam Witness, what is your present occupation?
I am the Executive Clerk of Court and Ex Officio Sheriff of Quezon City.
And how long have you been holding this? How long have you been in this office?
In the judiciary, I have been in the judiciary since 1977, but as Clerk of Court in 2003.
2000,
2003, Your Honor.
2003.
As Clerk of Court of the Regional Trial Court of Quezon City, can you please state your duties and functions in relation to the custody of notarial documents?
Yes, sir. I am the custodian of all the notarial documents of all the notary publics commissioned for Quezon City, for and in Quezon City.
I understand that you are in court today by virtue of a subpoena issued by the Honorable Court. Did you bring the documents that were requested from you?
Yes, sir.
Do you have with you a declaration of trust executed by the spouses Renato C. Corona and Cristina R. Corona in favor of a Maria Charina R. Corona, notarized by Notary Public Maynard P. Panela, recorded as document number 349, page number 71, book number 1, series of 2007 of the said notary's notarial book?
Yes, sir. As required by this honorable court, I have with me those documents that you have requested.
Your Honor, the witness has presented to this counsel, Your Honor, a certified true copy of the said document.
What is that document?
It is a declaration of trust, Your Honor, by Renato C. Corona and Cristina R. Corona as trustees, and Maria Charina R. Corona as trustor, Your Honor.
Yes, I have it with
May
me.
we request, Your Honor, that the document presented by the witness, the certified true copy, be marked as our Exhibit 215. Madam
Mark
Witness,
it accordingly.
on the left-hand portion of the document, there is a signature under certified true copy, and above the name Attorney Perlita Ele. Whose signature is that?
You are referring to the certified true copies that I
Yes.
issued?
Yes.
That's my signature, sir.
Madam Witness,
Yes.
can you kindly read for the record the paragraphs 1 to 5 of the Declaration of Trust for the information of the Senator Judges on what the Declaration of Trust is about?
Objection, Your Honor. The best document would be the document itself, Your Honor.
Sustained.
In which case, Madam Witness, did you bring with you the special power of attorney executed by a Maria Charina R. Corona in favor of Renato C. Corona and Cristina R. Corona,
Yes, sir.
notarized by Notary Public Maynard P. Panela, document under document number 350, page 71, book number 1, series of 2007 of the said notary's notarial book.
As I have said before, your sir, I have with me all the documents that you have requested.
May we request, Your Honor, that the certified true copy presented by the witness of the said special power of attorney be marked as our Exhibit 216.
Mark it accordingly.
Yes. Madam Witness, there is a signature below the left portion, below certified true copy, and above the name Attorney Perlita Ele. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir, that's my signature.
Madam Witness, did you also bring with you the pertinent portion of the notarial register of Notary Public Maynard P. Panela showing the entry of these documents in his notarial book?
Yes, sir, you mean the loose leaf?
What document are we talking here?
We are talking
The special power or the deed of trust?
Well, we are already talking about, Your Honor, the entry of the declaration of the deed of trust and the special power of attorney in the notarial register of the Notary Public, which is also in the possession of the Clerk of Court.
Yes, these are two documents covered by two notarial acts.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
All right.
And both documents, Your Honor, appear in one page of his notarial register.
Okay.
Do you have a copy of the notarial register?
Yes, sir.
I am showing to you the certified true copy of the notarial register. Is this the document which you claim that you have in your possession?
Yes, sir.
May we request, Your Honor, that the notarial register of the Notary Public who notarized the deed of trust and the special power of attorney be marked as our Exhibit 217.
Mark it accordingly. What year is that notarial register?
2007, sir.
2007.
Yes, sir.
Madam Witness,
The date,
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
the date of the inscription of the document?
What do you mean, sir, date? The Declaration of Trust, March 16, 2007. The Special Power of Attorney, March 16, 2007.
Both March 16.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
May we request, Your Honor, that the portion read by the witness pertaining to the entries in the notarial register for the declaration of trust and the special power of attorney be bracketed and marked as our Exhibit 217A and 217B respectively. 1 and 2.
Mark them accordingly.
We have nothing further for this witness, Your Honor.
Cross.
Initial cross, Your Honor.
All right.
Madam Witness, I understand that being the Executive Clerk of Court, you are also in charge of the notarial section of the Regional Trial Court of Quezon City.
Yes, sir.
Now, based on your records, Madam Witness, when did the Regional Trial Court of Quezon City commission Attorney Maynard P. Panela as notary for Quezon City?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm not aware when, but I have with me a certification issued by my Assistant Clerk of Court that at the time that of the execution of the document, the notary public is a commissioned notary public.
But you are aware that the executive judge issues a commission to a notary public that will authorize him to act as a notary public for a certain period and within the jurisdiction of Quezon City, isn't it, Madam Witness?
Before, sir, it used to be the Office of the Clerk of Court signed by the executive judge, but now it is the executive judge.
Yes, so you are confirming with me now that in fact a commission should have been issued to Attorney Maynard Panela authorizing him to act as notary for 2007.
Yes,
We
sir.
object, Your Honor. The question is
Yes, sir.
misleading. It tends to prove that the notary public was not commissioned when in fact the witness has already presented a certification stating that he was commissioned as a notary public.
He is on the cross. So let him answer. Let her answer.
May I hear the question again, sir?
I'm asking if he was issued a commission as a notary public for Quezon City for the year 2007.
Yes, sir, because I certified as to this commission as notary public.
Can you kindly bring at the next hearing of this case the commission issued to Attorney Maynard Panela, Madam Witness?
We object, Your Honor. The witness has already said that she already issued a
Let
certification.
the witness, she doesn't, and she's under cross. The tendency of the question is to test the credibility of the witness.
Yes, sir, I will.
Thank you, Madam Witness. Now, under the, you are of course aware that we have a new rules on notarial practice, and this is the 2004 rules on notarial practice, isn't it, Madam Witness?
Yes, sir.
Now, one of the provisions of this notarial practice under Section 2, Paragraph 8, and I would like to read it before I will ask you the question. A certified copy of each month's entries and a duplicate original copy of any instrument acknowledged before the notary public shall, within the first 10 days of the month following, be forwarded to the clerk of court and shall be under the responsibility of such officer. If there is no entry to certify for the month, the notary shall forward a statement to this effect in lieu of certified copies herein required. Now, the clerk of court referred to in Section 2, Paragraph 8 is your office, isn't it, Madam
Yes,
Witness?
sir.
So it would be correct to say and confirm with me if it's true that Notary Public Attorney Maynard Panela had in fact submitted his monthly statements or reports to your office for the year 2007.
2007, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So remember, our notarial rule on notarial rule was only in 2004.
We are talking of 2007 already, Madam Witness.
Okay,
So did he
2007.
or did he not comply with the monthly submission of duplicate original copy of instruments acknowledged before him?
They have to comply. They
Sure.
have, but I'm not sure if they complied.
Okay, can you kindly again review your records, Madam Witness, and tell us tomorrow whether he in fact submitted his monthly statements or monthly reports of the documents that he had acknowledged?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now, being I'm also a notary public, Madam Witness, and it is my practice that when I submit to the court my reports, I cover it with a covering letter naming therein the documents that I acknowledge. Is this the same practice practiced by notary public in Quezon City, if you know?
Yes, sir, I know.
With due respect, Your Honor, to my compañero, may we just ask, Your Honor, what is the relevance, Your Honor, of the line of questioning, considering that we are already going into his practice of submitting documents before the clerk of court as a notary? How would that be material, Your Honor?
We are testing, Your Honor.
That's a preliminary question. So Proceed.
So there was actually an answer already, Your Honor, and he said that that is a practice. So there are, in fact, covering letters when the notary public submits their reports.
Yes, sir.
And kindly bring, for the year 2007, the monthly reports as well as the covering letter, Madam Witness.
Yes, sir, I will do that.
With that, Your Honor, and with the request for additional documents, and we were only shown these documents today, they were not even pre-marked, Your Honor, by the defense. So may we defer further cross until the documents are produced tomorrow, Your Honor.
All right. Cross-examination deferred until tomorrow afternoon at 2 o'clock when this witness is instructed to return with the documents requested.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. We will be calling our next witness, Your Honor.
Proceed.
Your Honor, please may we request that Attorney Noel Lazaro be recognized. He will be presenting the next witness for the defense.
Yes, where is he?
Magandang hapon po, galang-galang na
Yes, sir,
Pangulo ng Senado at mga kasapi ng
nasa
hukumang
inyo
ito.
testigo ninyo.
May tumawag na po sa kanya, nandyan lang po siya sa kabilang
Session
kwarto.
suspended
Salamat po.
for 1 minute.